In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix DHCP not enabled for Wi-Fi or Ethernet internet connection on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to fix this, go ahead and locate Control Panel and open it on your computer. From the Control Panel, go ahead and look for this option, Network and Sharing Center. If you click on it, we shall have your internet displayed. If you are using your Wi-Fi, you'll see under access type, we shall have internet, and then under connection, you should see Wi-Fi. For my case, I'm connected via Ethernet. I'll wish to go ahead and fix this DHCP not enabled issue. Go ahead and click on your internet here. So if you see your Wi-Fi, click on it. And then from this, we have this window. Go ahead and click on properties. Now, if you click on properties, you'll see your Wi-Fi properties or your Ethernet properties. Scroll down until you see this option, Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it to open properties for this option. Now here, make sure you check this first option, obtain IP address automatically, and also check this, obtain DNS server address automatically. Once you have checked these two, the first two, go ahead and click on OK, and then close the rest of the windows, and this will have now fixed your DHCP not enabled issue on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.